Most Flutter tutorials stop at UI, but real apps need data that doesn't disappear, clean structure, and features that people actually use. In this class, we are building a real expense manager app step by step. And here's what we're building. In this app, you'll be able to add expenses, edit them, and delete them. You can also see daily totals and overall total. Switch between light mode and dark mode, and everything is saved permanently using Hive. Even if you close the app, open it again, and your data is still there. That's a real app. In this class, you'll learn how to build a complete Flutter UI from scratch, manage forms, validation, and user input, structure data using models, group and display lists properly, calculate totals using functional programming, use Hive for local storage, make your UI reactive with ValueListenableBuilder, add, edit, delete, and sort functionality, and build an app that actually feels finished. No shortcuts and no copy-paste magic. You will understand why everything works. If you already know Flutter basics and you want to start building real apps, this class is for you. By the end, you won't just know concepts, you will have a complete expense manager app you can proudly show. All right, enough intro. Open your code editor and let's get started.